Hey there everyone! Welcome back to Ace Health Tips, where we're all about helping you lead a healthier, happier life. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us face: poor posture and back pain. Segue into the importance of good posture. Your spine is like the backbone of your overall health, and maintaining good posture is crucial to keep it in top shape. Poor posture can lead to discomfort, muscle imbalances, and even long-term back pain. But don't worry. Today, I've got you covered with 10 simple exercises that will help you improve your posture and reduce back pain. 1. Chin tucks. Let's start with the first exercise, chin tucks. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Gently tuck your chin down towards your chest, making a double chin. Hold for a few seconds and repeat 10 times. Chin tucks help strengthen the muscles in your neck and upper back, promoting better head and neck posture. 2. Cat-cow stretch. Next up is the cat-cow stretch. Get down on all fours, hands directly under your shoulders, and knees under your hips. Arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Then, lift your head, arch your back in the opposite direction, and look up like a cow. Repeat this motion for about 10 times. The cat-cow stretch improves the flexibility of your spine and helps alleviate tension in your back. 3. Wall angels. Now let's try wall angels. Stand with your back against the wall, feet a few inches away from it. Place your arms at a 90-degree angle against the wall, palms facing forward. Slowly slide your arms up and down the wall, maintaining contact throughout the movement. Do this for 10 reps. Wall angels are excellent for opening up your chest, improving shoulder mobility, and correcting rounded shoulders. 4. Bridges. For our fourth exercise, we have bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips off the floor, squeezing your glutes and keeping your core engaged. Hold for a few seconds and lower back down. Repeat this 10 times. Bridges help strengthen your lower back, glutes, and core muscles, which are essential for supporting your spine. 5. Seated leg raises. Moving on to seated leg raises. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Lift one leg straight out in front of you and hold for a few seconds before lowering it back down. Repeat this with the other leg, alternating for 10 reps on each side. Seated leg raises work on your hip flexors and help maintain a balanced posture while seated. 6. Thoracic rotation. Let's not forget thoracic rotation. Sit on the floor with your legs crossed. Place one hand on the opposite knee and the other hand behind you. Twist your upper body to the side, looking over your shoulder. Hold for a few seconds and return to the center. Repeat on the other side for 10 reps. Thoracic rotation exercises enhance the mobility of your mid-back, which is essential for maintaining proper posture. 7. Wall squats. Now wall squats. Stand with your back against the wall, feet shoulder width apart, and slide down into a squat position, as if you were sitting in an imaginary chair. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and stand back up. Repeat this 10 times. Wall squats strengthen your legs, glutes, and lower back, improving overall posture support. 8. Prone cobra. Onto the prone cobra. Lie face down on the floor, arms at your sides, palms facing up. Lift your chest and legs off the ground, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold for a few seconds, lower down, and repeat for 10 reps. Prone cobras help counteract the effects of hunching over and strengthen your upper back muscles. 9. Planks. Planks are up next. Get into a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Planks are fantastic for building core strength, which is crucial for maintaining an upright posture. 10. Child's pose. Last but not least, let's finish with the child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms in front of you. Relax in this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Child's pose is a gentle stretch that helps release tension in your lower back and promotes relaxation. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 simple exercises to improve your posture and reduce back pain. Incorporate these into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier spine and a more comfortable life. Remember, good posture isn't just about looking better, it's about feeling better too. So, take care of your back, and it will take care of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share this video with someone you know who could benefit from it. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video.